Unraveling the mystery. Too clever by half. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase that often puzzles learners. Too clever by half. Have you ever come across someone who tries to be overly smart or clever in a way that backfires? Well, this phrase perfectly captures that notion. Let's unravel its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your conversations. Too clever by half is a British idiom that describes someone who is perceived as being overly confident in their intelligence or cleverness, to the point where it becomes a negative trait. This person often tries to outsmart others in ways that are unnecessary or potentially harmful, leading to unintended consequences. The phrase suggests that while being clever is generally a positive trait, exceeding a certain limit can actually be detrimental. The expression, too clever by half, is believed to have its roots in 19th-century British literature, where it was used to describe characters whose cunning plans often led to their downfall. It emphasizes that there is a fine line between being clever and being wisely prudent. The half in this phrase is used figuratively to suggest that the person's cleverness exceeds what is reasonable or beneficial by a significant margin. To better understand how to use too clever by half, let's look at some examples. In literature, a character devises a complex scheme to solve a problem but ends up creating more issues. This character could be described as too clever by half. In everyday conversations, if someone bypasses a simple solution for a more complicated one that ultimately fails, you might comment, "Well, that was too clever by half." In work situations, a colleague proposes a convoluted strategy to increase efficiency, but it backfires, making the process even more cumbersome. They were being too clever by half. When using too clever by half, it's important to remember that it's typically used in a critical or sarcastic manner. It's not suitable for formal contexts but can be effective in informal discussions or literary commentary. You can use it to gently criticize someone's overcomplicated approach or to reflect on the pitfalls of overconfidence in one's intelligence. Understanding phrases like too clever by half enriches your English vocabulary and helps you appreciate the nuances of the language. It's a reminder that sometimes, simplicity and humility are the wisest paths forward. We hope this exploration has been enlightening and adds a charming expression to your linguistic toolkit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of English language learning. See you in the next video.